Hey there, looking to make amazing YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks with minimal effort? Well, in today's video, we'll dive into the best AI-powered short video maker out there, Klap App. Stick around because I'll show you how to create professional-looking shorts in minutes, and there's a 30% discount waiting for you at the end of this video. Let's jump right in. Klap App is an innovative AI-powered short video maker designed to help you create stunning content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, Klap App offers features like automated clip generation, smart subtitles, and ready-made templates to speed up your workflow. The platform's AI identifies the best moments from your videos, automatically generates captions, and provides trending templates to ensure your content stands out on any platform. Ready to give Klap App a try? Here's how you can get started. 1. Click the link in the description. 2. Create an account using your email or social login. 3. On the subscription page, enter the coupon code FIRSTSIGNUP to unlock an exclusive 30% discount. 4. Choose your plan and complete the payment process. And that's it. You now have access to a powerful AI video editing tool that will transform the way you create short-form content.